Hello everyone, welcome to midterm presentation of Laboratory Data Exchange with FHIR. First, I will introduce my project members. I am Milan Karunaratna from Sri Lanka, Judy Gichoya, my primary mentor, and Harsha Kumara is my backup mentor, Suranga Kastiratna, and he also helped me here. So, what is FHIR? Currently, OpenMRS is implementing support for FHIR, which is a standard protocol which makes better interoperability between healthcare systems. So, as I mentioned you, the FHIR is define some resources. Those data between healthcare systems will be export and import using those resources. So, FHIR diagnostic report is one of them. So, why we need a separate project for this? Because mapping this diagnostic report into OpenMRS API is that much hard. So, following is the mapping which I came with Darius and Suranga. So, there are entries like name, status, issued, subject, performer, which are compulsory fields that should be mapped into OpenMRS API. Then take a look at FHIR diagnostic report. So these are the fields that FHIR diagnostic report included. So if you can see, there is a field code service category. So looking into that category, it contains many codes which categorize these diagnostic reports into different types of diagnostic reports, such as radiology, laboratory, microbiology. During this sum of code, I am going to implement support for laboratory diagnostic report and radiology diagnostic report. So, how to handle different types of diagnostic report? To address this issue, we come up with a solution called handlers. So here is the handler hierarchy. As you can see here, when client send a request, it comes to the RESTful diagnostic resource provider. It's come to here. We create methods to handle create, read, update and delete methods. Then it will forward that request into diagnostic report service implementation. That is the place where we inject instance of those handlers into service implementation by using module application context. As you can see here, then it will service implementation will choose the better handler to provide access to that request and forward into util class. Util class will trigger the action. Here is the util class. It will trigger the action, and this is the implementation of laboratory handler. So as you can see, there is a default handler. When service category field is not available, those requests will be handled by default handler. Also, other users can implement their own handlers for other type of service categories. Also, if they are not good with our implementation, they can also override our implementation. Here's the demo. Here I install FHIR module into OpenMRS. First, you have to create some concept for store name presented from result status fields. Also, you have to create and configure encounter role and encounter type. After that, you can create a diagnostic report by sending into FHIR diagnostic report. It should contain the subject, performer, service category, those data. Then it will response is it is successfully created. Let's try getting created diagnostic report. You have to send diagnostic report with the UUID. So this is the previously registered diagnostic report. As you can see, its issue date is to 2011. So let's update this diagnostic report with 2015. So it's successfully updated. So let's get that report. As you can see here, it's updated successfully. So these are the things that I have to complete in this half of Google sum of code. Map other diagnostic reports into fields into OpenMRS API, and complete radiology handler, and write test cases and refactor the code. Here are some useful links that you can use to get more idea about this project. Thank you very much. If you have any problem, suggestions, we are warmly welcome them. Please try to contact me using following details. Thank you.